When one is driving a car, one of the most important aspects is the wheel balancing and the wheel alignment. There are 4 wheels. All of them must be aligned. If the wheels are not aligned, the car will pull to the left or the right. One will not be able to drive steadily. Much more effort has to be put to keep the car steady. The 4 wheels of our personality are the body, the mind, the intellect, and the spirit. What do we do to align these 4? So here is a formula. It is called T20. 20 minutes of stretch to exercise the body, to keep the body fit and flexible. 20 minutes of spiritual practice to quieten the mind and connect with the soul. And 20 minutes of spiritual study to empower the intellect with higher vision, deeper purpose. Every single day, if we are able to just spend 1 hour for ourselves, stretch, study, spiritual practice. This will align our whole personality. We will discover more and more enthusiasm and energy to live a life of dynamism, of service, experiencing peace and happiness, and sharing it with others. Succeed in the game of life with T20. Why is it called T20? Because 3 times 20. Play T20 and enjoy the game of life.